Exercise 9A, the first question, first bit. The questions have been framed in such a way so that you will get a grip of the areas of parallelograms and triangles that confine that confine themselves to certain blocks of theorems. And so the first one, herein we are asked to identify the parallelograms or the structures or figures which are on the same base and between the same parallel lines. You can as well see here DC, this PQCD is one parallelogram, ABCD is another parallelogram, and these two parallelograms are undoubtedly resting on the same base DC, but herein they do not confine themselves to one common top parallel line, though the bottom parallel line is common. Therefore these do not come under the common base and two parallels confines. So for base yes, but parallels no. Here we have the same base RS for PQ, SR and also TRS triangles. So the same base, they are on the same base, but and also between the same parallel lines, the vertex of this triangle T and the entire PQ lie on the same parallel line. Therefore same parallels and same base. Yes. Here you can see AD being the base can be taken as the base, and these AECD and ABFD share the same base. This one and ABFD share the same base AD, and also they are between the same parallel lines AD and BF. Therefore these two also confine to the theorem. Same base and same parallel. Here for the fourth bit we have ABC triangle ABC and also triangle BDC, and also we have a trapezium ADCB. Trapezium. All these three lie on the same base BC and also between same parallel lines BC and AD. So same base and same set of parallel lines. Therefore these three figures confine to that theorem. And let us see now this triangle EDC and ABCD lie on the same base DC and share the two common parallel lines. So same base and same parallels. In this entire figure we have FGCA and FEBA. They lie on the same base FA and also between the same parallels FA and E to C. These are parallels. This triangle again FAGC is sharing the base AC with this rectangle. Therefore these two also share the same base and are lying between the same parallel lines. So there are two pairs here. Now for the second question, ZPC and YPC. ZPC and YPC triangle lie on the same base PC and between same parallel PC and ZY. PC and ZY. Now see the second set. This is CZY triangle and PZY. We can as well see that they have a share a common side ZY, and that happens to be the base and lie between ZY and PC, the same parallel lines. The next set of triangles PAX and CAX, you can see here and even identify they lie on AX. PAX and CAX lie on the same base and share the same parallel lines, which are AX and PC.